Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create multi-themed apps in QtDesigner, just like this one I'm showing you right now. First of all, you'll need to install this library called QtMaterial. I'll just open a simple UI application, so we can work with it. I'll add a menu bar in the app, so we can choose the themes using it. It works. Now let's set the themes. Use this command to import QtMaterial. And this one to set a QtMaterial theme. As you can see, it works. Now I'll make possible to choose the themes via the menu bar. If you want me to teach how to create your own custom themes with QtMaterial, please let me know in the comments. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give your feedback.